Boost Mobile, as an MVNO on Verizon, locks its iPhones to its network. To unlock your iPhone 16 Pro Max, you generally need to meet specific criteria. As of September 2025, the primary requirement is typically 12 months of active service or full payment of the device, whichever comes first. Ensure your account is in good standing with no outstanding balances. Boost has been streamlining its unlocking process via its app and website. Check your eligibility through the Boost mobile app or website under Device and Services. Recent FCC regulations have pushed for shorter unlock windows, though this hasn't fully impacted existing iPhone 16 models yet. To unlock your iPhone 16 Pro Max, first confirm your eligibility via the Boost mobile app. Next, submit an unlock request through your Boost account online, usually under Device and Services, Unlock Device. You'll need your IMEI found in Settings, General, About. Approval typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Boost will send an email with instructions. Complete the unlock by restarting your phone or inserting a new SIM from another carrier. If using eSIM, follow the provided digital instructions. Verify the unlock by testing with another carrier's SIM. Unofficial methods are risky and may void your warranty. Contact Boost support via chat for the fastest service.